All right, guys, here's the truth. If you want to make $500,000 just to eat for free, and you want to make this type of money, it's going to take us to do some work. This is what I want to recommend. And this is something where you've heard me throughout this video say that you can make a six-figure income, you can make $500,000, you can make $1 million. Here's the only difference. The person who's willing to hustle more will make more money. You have to be non-negotiable, non-debatable. Every day before you go to bed, you need to map out which 10 restaurants will you walk in the next morning. Do it before they get busy when they first open. So you might have to start doing some Googling and find out what time they open. So if they open up at, let's say 11 o'clock, you want to get there right when they open, right? Right when they're about to start prepping everything. It may even be a little earlier because that's when the employees start coming in, and that's when the owner's setting up, or that's when the manager, they're doing all their things, right? You have to be non-negotiable. Adding 10 new friends on Facebook to get those 10 new numbers every single day, we talked about that. Now on the business side, the true hustler is going to talk to minimum 10 restaurants a day. Now let me tell you the difference. We're not looking for people who are willing to talk to 20 restaurants in a day and then skip it for the next 2 or 3 days. Trust me, I don't know if it's the universe, God, Tom Cruise, Jesus, or whatever you believe in. I'm telling you right now, it's something about the consistency of what you do. You can work out for 5 hours at the gym in one day and smash it and get a great workout, when if you talk to any personal trainer and if you told them I'll work out today for 5 hours and then I'll take the next 5 days off, versus telling a trainer I'll work out every day for an hour. They're going to tell you that they prefer you to work out every day for an hour, because it's not about how much you can exhaust in that one session. It's the consistency and getting in the routine of you doing this every single day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Guess which days I'm going to give you off? None. You have no days off. Because realistically, you want to make $500,000. You want to make more money than 99% of America. You want to make $500,000? Then you better get to work, guys. Right? And if you want to be in that top 5, top 3, top 1% of American, United States money earners, then we have to hustle. Head down, tail up, run with the ball. And if you talk to 10 businesses a day, and we talked about Sinaloa, the safety numbers and law of averages, and you get yourself up to, what if you talk to 10 businesses a day and you get 1 out of 10 businesses to agree to this? Do you guys get that? And if you're getting all the numbers that I'm telling you have to do on Facebook, and you're adding that, guys, 300 new numbers a day, 300 new numbers a month, guys, it's gonna be endless. So how do you really get it to the craziness? How do you get it there? Guys, people eat at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can do 3 invasions a day. If you bring the 25 people, and that each person's on average spending, let's say, $25. 25 people spending $25 for a breakfast, a lunch, or dinner, right? $25 times 25 people, that's $500 that you're bringing in for breakfast. The owner gets half, you get half. So you're making $250. $250 times 3, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? Now we're talking how much money? Now we're talking closer to what? $750 a day that you're making. Do this every single day. $750. Here's the kicker. Regardless if you ever do anything I'm telling you, you're probably gonna eat lunch, you're probably gonna eat breakfast, and you're probably gonna eat dinner, regardless if you do what I'm telling you to do. Why not get paid to do it? $750 a day times 30 days is a no-brainer. Why? Because everyone has day offs on different days. Everyone that doesn't have a day off that day might be able to go to breakfast, but they can't go to lunch and dinner. There are going to be people that can go to your dinner event because they work 9 to 5, but they're going to go to dinner anyways. That's why if you break out your database, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, figure out which days people are typically good at, and you separate each person that way, and you set this up. Remember, what I'm saying right now, overwhelming, and I 100% agree with you. Remember though, as you do 1 invasion, it becomes routine. It becomes routine. It becomes routine. And as this becomes routine, guys, having 2 invasions in one day won't be hard. Adding 3 invasions in one day won't be hard, because you're doing a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner. And guess what you're doing when everyone's eating, and you're eating too? You're probably texting the people for tomorrow's event just to confirm them. right? You send that email out sometime during the break. You have your laptop, whatever it is. As long as you're staying consistent with this, you're going to get more comfortable. Right now, if you're watching this for the first time, yeah, 100% this is overwhelming. 100% you won't think you can do 3 invasions a day, because that is craziness, right? But you'll be surprised. Once this becomes routine, it's a no-brainer. You're going to get teammates. This is going to sound weird. You're going to get people who just love what you do. They're going to say, hey, if I bring friends, can I eat free too? Right? And you're going to have people do this. And then all of a sudden, they're going to bring their 10 people. And then you're splitting some money off with them. And at the end of the day, you're sharing the money, you're sharing the wealth, you're getting these events together. And at the end of the day, you know what you're doing, which is you're eating for free, and you're friggin' eating with your friends and texting people. That's all you're doing. But it's all going to happen with the momentum of how many people are you going to talk to every single day. You need to talk to 300 minimum businesses a month. You need to talk to minimum 300 new businesses a month. And as long as you are down to talk to minimum 300 new businesses a month, it's game over. You guys will get your clients. I wouldn't even be surprised if you get 1 client a day. Then every day you have an event. And then you're going to be like, okay, well, my events are always at dinner time. I literally do nothing in the morning all the way until my event, which is at like 7 o'clock at night. Why not throw in a lunch one? And then you get used to a lunch one. And then you're literally going to be like, when you're making $500, $750, $1,000 a day, whatever that number is, when you make that money, you're going to get a little greedy. And you're going to be like, dude, I can do this for breakfast too. I can do a breakfast, lunch, and a dinner, and a dessert place afterwards, right? And that's when it becomes so much fun, because now you're going to have all these people that are coming with you to these events. You're meeting new friends. You're meeting people you never thought you would meet. And remember, guys, all you're doing is eating for free and making $500,000 a year doing it.